Okay, so now admittedly the controls in this game are kind of bad. The arrow keys are moving you in world space. You're not necessarily walking towards the direction you're looking, but at least let's fix the way you look around. So right now it's if you move the mouse past the halfway point, you turn. I'm just going to make it so that you move the mouse further to the right or left to make your guy turn. Okay, and so to do that, we're going to open up our Steve Mover script. So you open that with whatever editing tool you have. And so right here, this is the segment of code that describes how this should work. So we say that if the mouse X position is to the right side of the screen because the X coordinate is greater than the screen width divided by 2. So if we split the screen in half, and if you're on the right side, he's going to move to the right. And then if it's less than half the width, move to the left. Let's work with that for a second. So some people said, well, less than a third, and that's pretty smart. And then they did both of these at a third, and well, all that did is move the dividing line towards the left side of the screen. So what we want to do is I'm going to try to show you something different. Instead of doing division, how about we do multiplying? And we're going to say, if it's past 2/3 of the screen, or 3/4 rather, by the way, an asterisk means multiply, and we could say 0.75, because that would be, and then you have to put an F for, to make it a flow. Hey, what? I didn't put a 0. 0.75 F. So if it's past 3/4 of the way, then make it move to the right. And so let's stay with multiplication, and we'll say, and then if the X is less than 0.25, so if it's just, and then you have to put an F for float. And let's save that, and let's take a look and see how that works. So we're saying if it's 1/4 away from the left side edge, then turn left. So in the middle, nothing's happening. But once I move over here, he turns. If I move all the way 3/4 of the way to the right, he turns. So that's a little bit more manageable. So you're kind of still just moving in world space. And then if you want to look left, you turn that way. And the arrow keys are totally goofed up, because if I push forward, intuitively you think he should go the way he's looking. So we're going to have to fix all that. Okay, but for now, just at least you've learned how to move the the control so that he spins around and he's still moving goofy. But anyway, we'll go ahead and fix that, and then we'll make some more things happen in this game. Have fun making your guy move left and right. Have fun.